my name's Martin. This is going to be as part one video what we're doing today. We're at Luke Stevens.
Good morning, everyone.
This morning, open day for customers. Got a lot of people here. We've got refreshments here. We've got the first vehicle on the dyno that we're tuning. Customers are in the waiting area watching us tune it. I'm answering a lot of questions, what people are asking. We've got flat out media here, offering any advice for marketing and stuff like that. Like I said, Luke is on site. If you want to get your vehicle booked in, you can come down here.
Have a chat with us, have a conversation. There's bacon rolls, coffee, tea, pop. Come down and see what it's all about.
We'll probably be here till about 2 o'clock, so you know, please come down. Even if you just want to see what we do, get yourself down here. Do you want to take postcode where we're at?
CB75NT. Obviously, you can look it up on Google Maps and you'll find us straight away.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll do another video in a couple of hours. Thanks, Rob. That's your vehicle.
Thanks very much.
Pendle tune by Luke Stevens. This is all the certificates in our folder. So what you've got there, you've got your standard graph where it says standard at the top. She's made 144 brake horse, 323 newton meters of torque. We did a service region and the DPF filter to get all the DPF clean. We did a software update with a main dealership tool, and then we custom tuned the vehicle. So then we've got the tuned graph. We made 176 brake horse and 385 brake horsepower. So absolutely phenomenal.
Fantastic.
So enjoy the drive.
Thank you.
Like I said, the money what you've paid for it today has gone to charity, which is a good thing.
Wonderful.
So, yeah, enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Have a good drive.
Thank you, Martin.
You said you noticed you were driving on 18s before, was that correct?
I was on 17s.
17s before.
Put 20s on, and that killed the power instantly. But that is like night and day. Fantastic. You don't have to push the accelerator so far down to get the same amount of drive. That is amazing. That's fantastic. That is. It's like a different van, totally different van. As far just to get that same drive.
Yeah.
You know, so whereas you do like, you know, sort of half throttle sort of thing, and that just starts to get going when you don't. It's something to learn, you know, that it's like two different vans.
Yeah.
Two different vans, really, honestly. Yeah.
My old van was, well, and I did over 100,000 miles in that, and then before it came here, so I know what it feels like at all different sorts of speeds and rev.
Yeah.
And then he changed it, and he just went. I thought, what's been happening here? It's a completely different van.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what it felt like.
Through
town was completely different. Up through the gears was smoother.
Yeah.
The fuel consumption is not huge, but it's definitely an
something,
improvement. Yeah. On a long run, I'd save quite a bit of money.
We're obviously doing this event at Luke Stevens, so thanks Luke Stevens for hosting us down here, and thanks for having us all down here. We've really enjoyed it. But the vehicles that we're tuning today, obviously, we know we're doing for charity, so we are tuning a number of vehicles. And we're also going to top it up yourself. Jason from Performance Plan Tuning, lovely guy. I've worked with Jason for many years. Jason's also put some money into the charity pot, so thank you very much, Jason. Lovely work.
Welcome. The charity that's going to will be the Children's Ward at West Suffolk Hospital, which is a rainbow ward. So a great cause. So thanks to everyone who's inputted and supported us, and it's going to a good cause. Thank you, Martin.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
So this is Jess, everybody. She's the second person to have the vehicle tuned today on Luke Stevens' the charity day. T6 102 manual. It made 111 standard. And what did we make? Was it
161.9, I think.
161.9 after the tune. So we're just going to go out and see what Jess thinks of it.
That's got loads more power. Wow. That's like a different van.
So you had one tuned by Pendle before?
Yes, our last van.
That was a 102 as well, was it?
That was 102 as well, yeah. Such a difference. It is actually amazing. Yeah, see now this is saying go up to 5th. There's no way I don't need 5th at all, you know. That's interesting. It's saying my range of diesel is much more as well. So when I came, I think I was on about 245. It's now saying 270. It just feels a better drive. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Alright, huge thanks to Luke again. This is another video we've done. Luke's hosted this amazing event at Luke Stevens Developments. We've tuned a number of vehicles and we've had some absolutely awesome vehicles, what we've done or tested as well. But today's all been about team building and also some one-on-one training, but it's also been about a charity. We've tuned a number of vehicles. All the money that we have earned from tuning the vehicles we're giving to a charity, but also we are donating ourselves to charity. Cambridgeshire-based Performance Park and Tuning put some money in. Darren from Woodhouse is going to put some money into the charity, so we're going to have a bit of a chat and
thanks Luke, thanks very much, mate. And donation for you. Another donation towards the Rainbow Ward at West Suffolk Hospital. Thank you very much. Brilliant.
So absolutely awesome weekend. Absolutely credit to you.
Nice one, Luke.
Thank you very much. And also thank you to Fly Out Media as well for coming down here and doing all our marketing.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Right, that's thanks to Luke again.
Thank you, Mark.
We've been down here for 3 days and it's a wrap now. We've finished for the day. We've tuned some awesome vehicles. We've also dyno tested some vehicles. If you want to spin around Adam and look at the vehicle, we've just dyno tested. You get that in. Huge thanks to you. Huge thanks to the team that work here. It's been an absolute pleasure for me to come down. It's been a pleasure for Flat Out Media to come down here. You've hosted an absolutely awesome event. I thoroughly enjoyed it. The setup you've got down here is phenomenal. So it's a huge credit to you and your family for setting all this up, so absolutely huge credit to you.
Thank you very much, Martin. So yeah, onwards and upwards. I've learned a lot in the last 3 days, so really looking forward to progressing now. A few little upgrades for the dyno cell, and we're going to move on and hopefully be tuning all the vehicles that are capable of.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Cheers.